We finally have the confirmed date that BlackRock thinks is when the Bitcoin ETF is going to be approved. In this video, I'm going to be talking about exactly when I think the Bitcoin ETF is going to be approved this week and much more. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and that you stick around to the very end of this video. The past several days, cryptocurrencies have, especially altcoins, they've been selling off. We can see that we basically been going down for about 5 days. XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin. I mean, we've been seeing a pretty big correction these last several days, which is very normal, very healthy, something that we often see in a bull market. Bitcoin is holding up very strong at the current moment because everyone is focused on the Bitcoin ETF. So the Bitcoin dominance is going up. Bitcoin dominance is shooting up right now. Altcoin dominance is obviously going lower. And that's because people are rotating their profits of altcoins in the moment to Bitcoin. So everyone is under the impression that once the Bitcoin ETF is announced, that it's approved, that Bitcoin is going to go up, that Bitcoin is going to pump and obviously take bigger profits and make bigger profits in altcoins. That's why we're seeing Bitcoin dominance go up. That's why Bitcoin is holding up very, very strong. Now we have a confirmed date, according to BlackRock, when they think the ETF is going to be approved. And they are expecting, according to these experts at BlackRock, the approval to be done by Wednesday. This seems like a very reasonable date. I think that this is probably likely. Do not be surprised if we get the decision before Wednesday, potentially tomorrow, Monday, but at some point next week, it's going to happen. So you want to be prepared. You want to be ready for this potential news that is very, very likely to come out. I think the possibility of the Bitcoin ETF getting denied is very, very, very low in my opinion. And let me share with you guys my thoughts of what I think is going to happen in the crypto market. So if we go over to my Twitter, where I put a lot of very important, very good information, I'm expecting there to be a pump with the Bitcoin ETF to potentially put us around $52,000. After the ETF, I think we're going to get a correction to potentially $26,000 to $32,000, somewhere in that region. Then after that, we're going to bounce up and make new highs. And then I think in the year 2024, which is this year, to at some point next year to reach around $85,000 to $95,000. That's my conservative estimate for Bitcoin. Probably going to go up a lot higher than that, but to be conservative, I'm not trying to make crazy price predictions like people on here for more views. I think that that is a conservative estimate of where I think Bitcoin is going to be headed. Now, during this time, altcoins are probably going to far outperform Bitcoin, and that's about a 3 to 4x I think that Bitcoin is going to make from the correction before the halving that we probably will get, the next correction we get, to the all-time highs, to the new highs that Bitcoin is going to print in this current bull run. So I'm very bullish right now. Yes, altcoins are going down a bit. Some cryptos are correcting, but we must understand that a lot of altcoins have just 3x, 2x, 5x, 10x. And to see them go down 20, 30%, it's not the end of the world. It's completely normal. So crypto just went up 300%. Now it's coming down 30%. Some of them 40%, some 20%, some 15%. It's not the end of the world. They're going to continue to go up. They're going to continue to make new highs. Everything is still very bullish. Nothing has changed. We're getting a correction and people are taking profits. It's the new year. People are taking profits. People are getting ready for this ETF news. So this week is going to be very volatile. We also have CPI. It's going to be very crazy this week, but ultimately, I do believe we are going to get the ETF announcement, that we're going to get the approval, and that Bitcoin and cryptos are going to go up as a result. Now, make sure you guys are a part of my Patreon, where I'm putting out buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies every single week, or your money back guaranteed. We are making profitable trades every single week. We are trading over on Bluefin. They're giving up to $1,100 plus $500 bonus, so $1,600 in bonuses that you can get by just opening up an account. Use the link in my video description. But if you guys want to have these profitable trades, where I made $2,000 in this trade, I made $8,000 on the trades below here. You guys can have access to these trade alerts, these long and short alerts, the spot alerts for these coins that go crazy by joining the Patreon, the VIP tier, in my video below. As well, make sure you guys are using Algosniper, which gave us a buy alert at Bitcoin at $22,000. You guys can try Algosniper today for free at algosniper.com. Watch the video on there. It's going to show you how to use this, but it's going to tell you exactly when to get in of the market, when to get out of the market, when to sell, when to buy. It's very, very clear cut. And this is gonna help you to pick huge winners in altcoins. Like this coin TIA, this coin did a 10x. It gave you a buy alert at the very bottom. You have Bonk, it gave us a buy alert here and it went up massively. This was a 10,000% gain. You guys can try Algosniper today for free at algosniper.com. That is going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I will see you later.